Scratchy?
Yes, neighbor.
Scratchy, the Jamaican democracy has been very healthy ever since we start having elections. Governments and oppositions have had their times, but we have been able to pull through. We survived a one-seat majority. Joshua is pointing out some very concerning things, Scratchy, also protecting Jamaica. Is it just that social media has just gotten out of hand, Scratchy, and people are just allowed to say anything, and it's becoming just so toxic?
I mean, I mean, neighbor, we are see things different. I definitely agree though that social media is definitely out of hand, and things have become so toxic. I mean, this is one of the time, one of the election cycle, one of the periods, neighbor, where we're in, where with social media, the assistance of social media, where we're seeing persons coming out now more, and we are seeing those threats now coming forward, or those accusations or disrespect or attacks towards government coming now forward. So looking back and looking now, it can be seen as threat, it can be seen as cool, but I think it's just social media amplifying it, neighbor. I think it's a social media amplifying it.
I see the former constitution minister calling for a restoration of criminal libel to curb misinformation. Um, you don't think that probably we need to support the Mrs. Malahoo Fort, that if we don't do something about this, because Scratchy, I don't know that Jamaica understands what is freedom of speech, Scratchy. I think there can be no violence when it comes on to freedom of speech. You can't be free to threaten people's life.
Definitely not, neighbor. Definitely not. Despite freedom of speech, neighbor, it comes with some form of responsibility. So persons need to understand the responsibility that comes with freedom of speech. It definitely cannot threaten someone's life and say that's freedom of speech. And I would definitely support that, neighbor, in the form of legislation, neighbor, that comes with buffing against persons who are spreading misinformation. I would definitely support a legislation like that, neighbor. With how broad and wide and the reach of social media, neighbor, is, we definitely have to have something from a legislative standpoint, neighbor, that can protect governments, protect persons, especially government personnel, neighbor, who sometimes the law doesn't go in favor in terms of their favor in most cases, neighbor. So I think definitely, neighbor, something needs to be done, neighbor, from a legislative standpoint. But it is of concern based on the misinformation. We know misinformation, neighbor. We know what it can do, what it can cause. It can cause, yes, government to lose election and stuff like that. But in terms of a coup, neighbor, I'm not seeing a coup right now, neighbor. When you look at what is a coup and how coup occurs, neighbor, it normally come from a majority standpoint, neighbor. I'm not seeing majority of Jamaicans against and Jamaica alone and this Jamaica Labour Party government, neighbor. When I look at what is going on down there, what I see the PNP doing right now, neighbor, it's no different from what they were doing in their campaign. They're just keeping their base alive. Whatever message they're spewing, whatever misinformation they're spewing. Yes, for international scene, some persons who are not in Jamaica might see it and say, yes, this is what is going on. But if you look at a majority of those persons, neighbor, they also share some support towards the People's National Party. So I'm yet to see what the People's National Party is doing coming off on a more larger basis than just persons who support the organization. And I understand neighbor, coup normally comes with majority. And with that majority, neighbor, it normally comes with the security forces. And when you look at the security forces, neighbor, security forces is more professional now than ever, neighbor, with the advancement of technology, both the military and the constabulary. So I'm not seeing
Listen to Mrs. Malahi. Listen to Marley.
Libel was decriminalized in November 2013 following the passing of the Defamation Act. The law eliminated the distinction between libel and slander and replaced the defense of justification with the defense of truth. But Mrs. Malahoo Fort believes, based on threats posed in the digital age, criminal libel may need to be brought back. She explained that these days, fake news has the potential to travel fast.
Because right now, at the touch of the finger, stories go viral. Literally millions of people can see it within seconds and minutes. It's not a suggestion that is to shut down free speech at all, but it's to examine this new context in which we are operating, when already we have numerous examples of people manufacturing information and putting it out that cannot be verified and just blatantly untrue.
During a handing over ceremony in Little London, Westmoreland last week, Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness declared war on misinformation. He told his audience that he and his government would fight back against any attempt to mislead the public about the response to Hurricane Melissa. Mrs. Malahoo Fort says misinformation is being spread recklessly and with negative intent.
It's not simply a matter of my not liking what you say about me. It is the gross recklessness. It's the manufacturing of information that is not true, putting it out with malice aforethought sometimes, but we must be open enough to discuss these things.
Yes.
So it's not about rolling back any hard-won gain at all. Context has changed, and I think we must respond to changing times.
Mrs. Malahoo.
Well, that is the former constitutional minister speaking about.
Hello, neighbor.
Yes, hold on, no, sir. You hold on, no, man. Speaking about the whole matter of misinformation and the fact that we may have to restore criminal libel. I don't know that we can have a society where people put out misinformation on you, Scratchy, and you can't do nothing about it. In Scratch?
Definitely, neighbor. No.
So you are gay. I see a man put out one something say my man beat me up. So my boyfriend beat me up.
You can't do nothing legally about
And I
it.
can't do nothing about it. Really? Come
It's
on.
madness, totally mad. It shouldn't just be when about.
And you know, Scratchy, here is the sad part of that. There may be people who believe it, you know.
Exactly. There may be people who believe it.
People may start looking on and say, I wonder if it's true. I wonder if it's true.
Exactly. Leave people to start speculate.
You understand what I'm saying to you, Scratch? It can't be right. Cannot be correct, sir. You know, sir, I see them using people's image, put it up in the background, and saying some, you know, Scratchy, if you don't do something about this, then people are going to take it up in their own hand.
Exactly.
You hear me? People are going to take up things in their own hand. If they don't take it up, their friends will take it up or their family. And it can't right. Good night.
Exactly, neighbor. Because, as I say, persons whosoever can take it up, and it definitely have to stop, neighbor. Stop must be put to it. As I say, something from a legislative standpoint must be done to combat this misinformation and attack on personal character. Can't continue like this.
Yes, sir.
Social media, neighbor. It's all amplified by social media.
Sean?
Yes, sir. It's a pleasure talking to you. I saw you one night while I was on with Mr. Charles. They are the hardest people to get to. I have a situation. I don't know if I can tell you it on here. I am one of the storm victims in St. James, but I end up come to town and I end up homeless, and it's like everything will get to me right now because I had a strokes, 2 strokes on my back, and it's like where I'm living after leave, and I don't know where to go next. Honestly, believe you me, we call a program, but it doesn't really stress I'm going through. Honestly, it's
I'm sorry
really
to hear
rough.
that.
And believe
You
me,
said you were in Westmoreland
I was in St. James.
and you left and come to Kingston?
I came to town about 3 weeks before the storm, and just to do a little driving work because I can't really begin thing, and people when I come to town with, it's like I honestly I don't know what happened, but I can't say much. But it's like I end up homeless and I'm not going to me, and I'm totally fed up because I have a little money saved. I have a friend of mine. I'm telling my situation, and the person scam me, take $15,000 from me, and I can't see the house, and it's like everything just go back way. Sorry for my speech because of the strokes, we can't talk so good. So it's like everything I read, and I'm totally fed up. Believe me, I'm so fed up in a way that it just really just really it's just for me. It's not easy. It's not easy.
Uh-huh.
Believe me, it's not easy.
Yeah. Uh-huh. All right. Where are you now?
I'm in Kingston. Because I go place the catch. Which we need some of we live because we don't live nowhere. But honestly, don't live nowhere.
Uh-huh. Okay. I tell you what you do, sir. I'm going to give you a number, and you write it down, and WhatsApp me.
We get this strokes from my right hand side, and we can do the writing. Is it a possibility we can? I'm going to try to see if I can inbox you. You can. Can I leave my number?
You are on TikTok now, correct?
Yeah, because I'm left on my use.
Yes. So you don't have nobody beside you?
No, I'm alone. I'm alone. There.
Then how you cook and wash and all that?
How me do what?
Cook and wash.
Say somebody give me one little small washing machine, and it plays on me stay at town. Me get solar current to wash my clothes and one thing. So it's about just honestly my talk and believe me. I talk with pain in my heart, believe me, pain in my heart, trust me.
Yeah, I understand. All right. Send me. I can't. What I can do is to see if I can put you on to some government agency to have your case looked at. Okay?
Yeah.
Yes. Uh-huh.
I'm gonna write my number in the comments.
No. Don't put it in the comments. You can't send me a message.
Your neighbor.
Send me a message on the TikTok.
Message. I'm gonna write my number in the comments.
For what?
Okay, all right, thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very, very much. That even sound better.
You know, don't put no number up there.
So thank you very much. No, okay.
Go to the page, sir, and put it in the message.
Well, we just honestly. Yes.
Did you hear what I said?
Yes, I'm gonna do that.
Yes, John. Okay.
Just go to the
to my page
and send a message.
Write a message to me. Go to my page, Hello Neighbor, and send me a note.
Maybe become a part more because I was on his live and him allowed me to get some food that day, and it really rough, believe me, really rough.
Hold on, sir. You are from Westmoreland, you say. So what you do at Trelawney?
No, St. James. No, I have. When we see a Kingston, we have like Wi-Fi. After certain hours, like when it's cool down,
Mr. Patmore Mr. Patmore is in Trelawney. How you get to Trelawney?
No, I was just going through the phone and other day and look up on in live. You know.
How you got the food in Trelawney?
No man, somebody actually drove to me. Come at Linda's Road and give me the food.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry about that, sir. No. Listen to me, sir. If your situation is real, there is no question that you should have some support that can come to you. So that so you're gonna send the number, okay?
Yes, I'm gonna do that. As I come off the phone, I'll send it in a message.
You buy credit or use Wi-Fi you're on?
I use.
Okay. You have a smartphone.
Me not the money can buy credit.
You have a smartphone.
No, Wi-Fi come up because like when you had cool down, Wi-Fi come up.
Yeah, but you have a smartphone. Yeah. All right, sir. Hello. He's gone. All right. So I'll look out for that. We came on late tonight. Harry.
Hey, neighbor.
Harry, thanks for hanging on here, sir. We all the time here.
Yeah, man.
Yes. Oh, we have one more man. Buzz. Good night, sir. Hello. Hello. Hello, sir. Buzz, good night.
Buzz Wi-Fi ever give problem.
Let's leave it there, no? All right. Do we have any other, Caroline? All right. Well, if that's it, then that's it. Until tomorrow. Thank you so much for spending time with us tonight.